For me, knowledge is happiness for me. If I learn something, that makes me,
Still learning?
Yeah. I learned something the other night. I learned something last night. I can't wait to apply.
If you can list the fucked up things that have happened in your life, and you can put that on a list, and you somehow made it past all of this, to be in a position where you can still go make some stuff happen, that's what you have in common with every hero of every story, of every autobiography, of every, is that how much happened to you that should have broke you, that did not break you, so that you were able to then put your limit on talking. Shut the fuck up.
When reality is, I wanna sleep. Rain out, stayed out, I ain't gonna say much. Kissing me to my own son, I ain't tryna feel some. Top away about certain things. Tryna evacuate the necessity of being ready to verify. It's me being me the whole time. I never changed side, but I had to hear the elephant in the room with a bigger dude. I had to set some rules, it's a shame. Yeah, I thought I was being rude, but really money, it just not about being cool. Let me not lose my cool, never die and move. Shoot, making records, nothing putting my life on the road, just so I can help you with your approach. I never thought it would be this way. Change isn't just up, changing on me, now you're pushing on me. When I check it, be still for isn't just up. That's why the name's cousin, I'm everyone's cousin. I ain't got no enemies, all I see is friends. Losing their steps, in their civil ways. Force them, didn't see my type, my baby, never right. I keep on see my right now. It's your whole lot of one and mom. Eating my bees in my gum. But as you feel on my gum, and trust me, as you feel on your scalp. Bangsuke kaningi, banginyathi kakhulu, baningi abangangifuni, but still ngisaphusha ngisacula. Ende bengenzile abaningi, but ngithi wayangamemelisa amakhita, ngisho amajuda, izisebenzi zase-West. Ngishabonoka bayifile inombolo, konke babanombono, but wiwana wabangcono, ulona uphuma kimi. Phela imibozo endangaze ngaba-wrong, so mawuthi ngiyakubhora mina ubhora mina ngowanganabo. Angikhathalile ukutshela mntanabo, ngiyamfrustana wonona, kimi kuyafana.
Let them fully company.
Vele ngivule ikhampani but ngengisawunkapani muva yamipahla idala abaningi shaya kaningi ungaphuza nomiko ngishukathusha ngikushutha mina ngidoma namajuda zami zaphambi ngisiwehlisa isithunzi simenambuzi thina sinakuli aphathi khulu neluzi njalo kakhulu noduma omkhulu ishumamani bekeni namanunu thina siyathuza mawanganakanga thina singakuluma ngiyanikhuza yekela lemkhuba nomuzo wena kulomfula ngiyafunga soze waphuma noma ungayapha ke kungakuhlula ngeblu ngiyaphathuka ngiyabahlula ngiyahluka bathi bablani ngiyabahlela lamabhamusa
For me, knowledge is happiness for me. If I learn something, that makes me,
Still learning?
Yeah. I learned something the other night. I learned something last night. I can't wait to